What's going on, Cougars? This is Mr. O'Donnell. Today you're in our anatomy and physiology class in the Be Vital Skills Lab. Today our students are wrapping up muscle identification. What they're looking for is actually separating muscles. There's tons of them in the muscles, in the body, and they're doing this on a feline specimen, so cats. And again, their job is to identify individual muscles, separating them from other muscles and other tissues. And then one little challenge, kind of a Halloween challenge, is their goal is to try and animate either a lower body appendage or a upper body appendage. So make an elbow move by pulling on a muscle. They do have numbers inside of these felines, and those numbers are to indicate that they've identified a muscle. And then in their portfolio for this lab is they have to, again, identify through those numbers what muscles they've found. So these cats do come from just an online science store, and we order them and they come preserved, they're packaged, they're vacuum sealed. So they do hang out in this classroom. If you're ever in this classroom, they're just hidden. I won't tell you where they are. So, yeah.